In the words of Saul Leiter himself, "I don't have a philosophy, I have a camera." This simple yet profound statement encapsulates the essence of this artist, a pioneer in color photography and a key player in the New York School of Photographers. Born and raised in a religious household in Pittsburgh, Leiter was exposed to the world of art and painting from an early age. His childhood was steeped in the fine arts, creating a solid foundation for his later work. His unique vision and approach to photography, coupled with his background in painting, resulted in a body of work that was both innovative and timeless. His photographs, much like his personality, were subtle yet impactful, capturing the beauty of everyday life in the city he called home. A man who chose to see the world through a different lens, Leiter was an artist who painted with light. Leiter's journey to photography was not a direct path, but rather a series of fortunate accidents. In the mid-40s, a young Saul Leiter, full of ambition, left his Talmudic studies behind in Pittsburgh to pursue his passion for painting in the heart of the art world, New York City. The city, with its bustling streets and vibrant energy, held a promise of infinite possibilities. Here, Leiter hoped to immerse himself in the world of art, to learn, to grow, and to paint. In the Big Apple, Leiter's life took an unexpected turn. He crossed paths with abstract expressionist Richard Pouzette Dart. Pouzette Dart was not just a painter, but a photographer too, and their friendship marked the beginning of Leiter's love affair with photography. Through Pouzette Dart, Leiter discovered the power of the lens, the ability to capture a moment in time, a feeling, a thought. It was a revelation that would change the course of his artistic journey. Leiter began to experiment with photography, capturing the essence of New York in his early black and white images. His photographs were not just representations of the city, but interpretations, imbued with his unique perspective. These early works showcased Leiter's ability to find beauty in the mundane, to see poetry in the everyday. In the 50s, Leiter began to explore the world of color photography. It was a bold move, a departure from the norm. At the time, color photography was seen as commercial, not artistic, but Leiter saw potential. He saw a new way to express himself. His color images were a symphony of hues, a visual feast that captured the spirit of New York in a way black and white never could. He played with shadows and reflections, with layers and abstractions, creating images that were as much about color and form as they were about the city itself. In the bustling streets of New York, Leiter found his canvas. His journey to photography may have been accidental, but it was a fortuitous accident that gave us one of the most influential photographers of the 20th century. In a time of black and white, Leiter dared to dream in color. An audacious act for a time when color was considered too garish for the refined world of fine art photography. Yet Saul Leiter saw the world differently. His lens captured the vibrancy of life, the pulsating energy of the streets, the quiet whispers of everyday moments, all rendered in a beautifully bold color palette. Perhaps one of his most iconic works is Harlem, a riot of colors that brings to life the soulful rhythm of the neighborhood. Then there's Snow, a beautiful composition where Leiter masterfully plays with the color white, transforming a mundane snowy day into a serene, dreamlike landscape. And who could forget Postman, where Leiter uses color to add depth and dimension, turning an everyday scene into a captivating narrative. Leiter's innovative use of color did not go unnoticed. His works were exhibited in prestigious galleries and museums, earning him recognition and admiration from critics and peers alike. Each exhibition was a testament to his genius, showcasing his uncanny ability to use color to tell stories, evoke emotions, and capture the essence of a moment. Leiter's color photographs were not just images, they were visual symphonies. His works were a concert of hues, a dance of light and shadow, a celebration of life in all its colorful glory. His daring use of color revolutionized photography, proving that color, when used with sensitivity and skill, can indeed be a powerful tool in the hands of an artist. Though Saul Leiter may have left us, his impact on photography remains. His unique approach to color photography, once considered unconventional, has since become an inspiration for countless photographers. His ability to find beauty in the mundane, to capture the essence of New York City through a simple window pane or a rain-swept street, has encouraged photographers to seek out the extraordinary in the ordinary. Leiter's work has also played a significant role in the recognition of color photography as a legitimate form of art. Once dismissed as less serious than its black and white counterpart, color photography has gained acceptance and respect in the art world, largely thanks to Leiter's pioneering efforts. Despite being a private man, his posthumous fame has only grown. His work continues to be celebrated in exhibitions around the world, from New York to Tokyo. These exhibitions serve to remind us of his exceptional talent and his contribution to the art of photography. His legacy is not merely confined to his own work, but extends to the many photographers he has inspired. These artists, influenced by Leiter's unique vision, continue to push the boundaries of photography, challenging our perceptions and encouraging us to see the world in new and unexpected ways. In the end, Saul Leiter did not just capture moments, he transformed them into timeless art. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please like.